Memories by Youngblood and Will Smith. So Youngblood, we had it here before on this channel, not sure about Willow, but yeah, anyway, a good collaboration there. Memories. So we'll start with the chords first. No need for any cape on this one. We have 7 chords to go over. So let's look at the A minor first. That is the open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We move on here to the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Then G. So third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And we have the C, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We also have a C, but with the E in the bass, so you still keep your grip there. The only difference here, you're gonna bring in the open E in the bass. Make a full downstroke like this. So that's the C E chord. Then we have the E, and that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is a G chord, but with B in the bass. So that is second on A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. All right, so there we have the 7 chords. Now we will have one strumming pattern that goes through the entire song. Okay, A minor is the first chord played in the song, so I want to show you the strumming with the A minor. And it's very simple. It's down, up, down, up. That is one round. But you want to emphasize the second last down. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like this, okay? So the second last down you want to emphasize, and you do that in the best way. You play shorter downs and ups for the rest, but when it comes to this second down, you play a little fuller there, like this. You incorporate all strings there, so. So that is how I handle this. Down, up is one round. Now we're ready for the actual song. It starts with the intro, which is also the chorus play. So you're gonna play 4 rounds of A minor with the strumming, 4 rounds of D minor, 4 rounds of G, and only 2 rounds of C. This will differ a little bit later in the other courses, but this first intro course will be just 2 rounds of C, and there's a pause there for the vocal parts. All right, so 4 A minor, 4 D minor, 4 G, and 2 C. That sounds like this. And a pause, okay? So that's the tempo you need for the song. It's pretty fast, but yeah, it's only down, up, so I think you can handle this with some practice or so. That will start the song, and that will take us into the first verse, okay? So the first verse will go like this. I think I'm just gonna play through different parts here because it's that simple. So I think I'm just gonna mention the chords and the number of times you're gonna strum the chords, all right? So we'll start with A minor 4, A minor 4, D minor 4, G4, E2, and the CE2. We start all over again with A minor 4, D minor 4, GB4, and the rest is a vocal part, so it's pause after that. Okay? So A minor 4, D minor 4, G4, E2, CE2, A minor 4, D minor 4, GB4. And that takes us to the pre-chorus. Okay, so it starts with A minor 4 on the running, D minor 4, G4, and C2 plus vocal parts. That is your pre-chorus. That takes us to kind of the first chorus, if you don't count the first intro as a chorus, because this will differ a little bit and it will be the same from now on in the future song. So it goes in the lyrics, I wish I could just let go. Starting off with A minor 4, D minor 4, G4, C2, and the GB2. That is one round. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that will be the chorus. So A minor 4, D minor 4, G4, C2, and GB2 for 2 rounds, and that is your chorus. That takes us to the second verse. That one is played in the same way as the first verse. Okay, so nothing changes there. Yeah, and that takes us to the second pre-chorus, played in the same way as the first one. And now comes another chorus here that is played in the chorus same way as we just looked at, so don't count in the first intro chorus there. This one, the third chorus, you can say, is played in the same way as the second one. After this third chorus comes an instrumental play, and that's break there. It goes A minor 4, D minor 4, G4, C2, and the GB2. So that's the same way as another chorus play, and you're gonna do that for 2 rounds. And then it ends with an outro part. Let's do that together and finish this cool song off with A minor 4, D minor 4, G4, C2, and a vocal part, but they're still stuck in my brain. And that is how Memories by YUNGBLUD and WILLOW ends. So pretty easy to play this one. Just a little bit different chords there to handle. Otherwise, go with the strumming. And I believe the challenge here could be the tempo here to switch and keep the strumming running there. So yeah, anyway, good luck with this one, guys. If you like these kind of tutorials and if you like Gordon guitar, I hope you do. Please subscribe. Give me some motivation to go on here and bring out some cool songs. And don't forget about Wish Wednesdays. That's an ingredients we have here on Gordon Guitar. A possibility for you to bring up songs here on Gordon Guitar. I read all comments and I pick out what I think will be the best for this channel and for you guys. And I give you what you wish for. So don't forget that. Keep interacting and play tuned.